you're experiencing account sync issues in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, sync problems can arise from server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Navigate to the game installation folder and delete the cache files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing sync problems. Make sure to back up any important files before doing this. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your League of Legends client is fully updated. Check for any available patches or updates and install them. Running an outdated version can lead to sync issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to League of Legends support. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can assist you further in resolving the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate account sync issues in League of Legends. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.